Deep learning is a powerful type of artificial intelligence. It teaches computers to learn like humans. This is done by using data and algorithms. Deep learning is changing the world around us. From self-driving cars to medical diagnoses, deep learning is making our lives easier and safer. This beginner's guide will introduce you to the basics of deep learning. We will explore how it works and its real-world applications. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of this exciting field. Let's dive in.
At the heart of deep learning are artificial neural networks. These networks are inspired by the human brain. They consist of interconnected nodes or neurons organized in layers. Each connection between neurons has a weight associated with it. These weights determine the strength of the connection. Imagine a neural network learning to recognize a cat in an image. The input layer receives the image data. The hidden layers process the information, identifying patterns and features. Finally, the output layer predicts whether the image contains a cat.
Deep learning models learn through a process called training. During training, the model is fed with labeled data. This data consists of inputs paired with their corresponding outputs. For example, images of cats labeled as cat and images of dogs labeled as dog. The model adjusts its weights and biases iteratively to minimize errors in its predictions. As the model sees more data, it becomes better at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions. This process of learning from data is what makes deep learning so powerful.
Training a deep learning model involves several steps. First, we need a large dataset of labeled data. This data is used to train the model. Next, we choose a suitable deep learning architecture. This architecture defines the structure of the neural network. Then, we train the model using the chosen architecture and dataset. During training, the model learns to map inputs to outputs based on the provided labels. Finally, we evaluate the model's performance on a separate dataset to ensure its accuracy and generalization ability.
Section 5. Image recognition. A deep dive into practical applications. One of the most prominent applications of deep learning is image recognition. Deep learning models excel at identifying objects, faces, and scenes in images. This capability has led to significant advancements in various fields. For instance, self-driving cars use deep learning for object detection and lane recognition. Healthcare professionals utilize deep learning for medical image analysis, aiding in disease diagnosis. Social media platforms leverage deep learning for facial recognition, enhancing user experience and security.
Section 6. Natural language processing. Deep learning's language skills. Deep learning has revolutionized the field of natural language processing, or NLP. This technology has brought about significant advancements in how machines interpret and generate human language, making interactions with computers more intuitive and seamless. NLP focuses on enabling computers to understand and process human language. By leveraging deep learning techniques, these systems can now comprehend context, sentiment, and even the nuances of human speech, which were previously challenging for traditional algorithms. Deep learning models can analyze text, translate languages, and generate natural-sounding text. These models are trained on vast amounts of data, allowing them to produce highly accurate and contextually relevant outputs, whether it's translating a document or generating a coherent article. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa rely on deep learning to understand and respond to user queries. They can perform tasks ranging from setting reminders to answering complex questions, all thanks to the sophisticated NLP algorithms powering them. Customer service chatbots use deep learning to provide instant support and answer frequently asked questions. These chatbots can handle a wide range of inquiries, offering users quick and accurate responses, thereby improving customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. These applications showcase the transformative power of deep learning in the realm of human language. From enhancing user experiences to streamlining business operations, deep learning is at the forefront of technological innovation. continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in natural language processing.
Section 7. Deep Learning in Healthcare. Revolutionizing diagnosis and treatment. Deep learning is transforming the healthcare industry, offering innovative solutions for diagnosis, treatment, and drug discovery. Deep learning models can analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and personalize treatment plans. For example, deep learning algorithms can detect cancerous tumors in radiology scans with high accuracy. They can also predict the likelihood of a patient developing a certain disease based on their medical history. These advancements are improving patient care and revolutionizing the healthcare landscape.
Section 8, the future of deep learning, a world of possibilities. The future of deep learning is bright, with endless possibilities. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the advancements in this field are set to revolutionize the way we live and work. As deep learning algorithms continue to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications. These algorithms are becoming more sophisticated, enabling machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. These applications will touch every aspect of our lives, from transportation and entertainment to finance and education. Autonomous vehicles will make our commutes safer and more efficient, while digital classrooms will provide students with interactive and engaging learning experiences. Imagine personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. With AI, teachers can create customized lesson plans that adapt to each student's learning style and pace, making education more effective and enjoyable. Envision cities optimized for efficiency and sustainability using deep learning-powered traffic management systems. These systems can analyze traffic patterns in real time, reducing congestion and lowering emissions, leading to cleaner and greener urban environments. The possibilities are limitless, and deep learning is poised to shape the future in profound ways. From healthcare to entertainment, the impact of deep learning will be felt across all sectors, transforming our world into a smarter, more connected place.
Section 9. Ethical considerations, navigating the societal impact. While deep learning offers tremendous potential, it also raises ethical considerations. Bias in data can lead to biased outcomes, perpetuating existing inequalities. Privacy concerns arise as deep learning models analyze vast amounts of personal data. It's crucial to address these ethical challenges proactively. Developers must ensure fairness and transparency in deep learning algorithms. Policymakers need to establish guidelines for responsible data usage and model deployment. By navigating these complexities responsibly, we can harness the power of deep learning for the greater good.
Section 10. Getting started. Your deep learning journey begins now. This is the moment where your curiosity meets opportunity, and the world of deep learning opens up before you. If you're inspired by the potential of deep learning, there are numerous resources available to start your learning journey. From online courses to comprehensive tutorials, the internet is brimming with knowledge waiting to be explored. Online courses, tutorials, and open-source libraries provide accessible pathways to dive into this fascinating field. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and edX offer structured courses that can guide you step by step. Start by learning the fundamentals of machine learning and deep learning concepts. Understanding the basics will give you a strong foundation to build upon as you progress. Familiarize yourself with popular deep learning libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These tools are essential for building and deploying deep learning models. Explore real-world datasets and experiment with building simple deep learning models. Hands-on practice is crucial for solidifying your understanding and gaining practical experience. With dedication and curiosity, you can embark on a rewarding deep learning adventure. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Stay motivated, keep learning, and soon you'll be creating your own deep learning projects that can make a difference.
Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the transformative power of deep learning. Deep learning is a transformative technology with the potential to revolutionize countless industries and aspects of our lives. By understanding its principles, applications, and ethical considerations, we can harness its power for positive change. As we continue to explore the frontiers of deep learning, we can look forward to a future shaped by its transformative capabilities. Embrace the possibilities and join the exciting journey of deep learning.